I'm waiting for 2 more people, then we'll start. I'm waiting for 2 more people. We are waiting for Nasimiu and Osea. Usipoingia nini hiyo? Kora na hiyo. Haiwezekani. Hujanielewa. Hujanielewa, mtakuwa 3 people tu. Watakuwa kwa hiyo. Kwa huwezi ingia na details zote ni zangu. Eric, ingia.
Acha nikupea account nayo. Sasa fanya aje?
One more person, then we'll start. Tutumia haraka basi.
Kidogo mmoja mnitumia lingi hapa.
Acha nitumie. Sio ndio sima hapa.
Mnitumia mic.
Yaani mimi mic.
Sinisikia nikisema.
Sura hiyo zina data masa.
Sio tuna data. Ulikuwa unajua vizuri inafaa kwa watu 5.
Nani amekuja?
Ni message ya WhatsApp.
Kidanga hapo.
Umetuma? Hiyo tuma.
Oh yeah, hebu ni hotspot.
Sawa.
Ni hotspot.
Hiyo. Man, hiyo kazi yangu tena. Naona hiyo kitu mahali kwa makini.
Sasa waje nikuforwardie hiyo link.
Lazima uniambie.
I think we are ready to start. Good evening, class. My name is Madam Mercy. I'm going to teach you digital media. And for today, we are going to cover 3 objectives. The first objective, I hope everyone can see my screen.
No, we can't see your screen.
Okay, just a minute.
Hapa kwa hiyo.
Wacha cheke kwanza.
Tapo hapa katikati. Haya kuja hapa sasa.
All right, I'll be admitting as we continue. We can continue. Everyone can see my screen?
Yeah, that's
Yes, we can.
All right, our objectives are three. The first one is to describe what digital media is, and then the second one, by the end of this lesson, everyone should be able to understand how digital media came about. That is the history of digital media. And then another thing is to identify various types of digital media. Now, those are the three objectives. Anyone among ourselves who understands what digital media is? You can raise your hand if you know what digital media is. Doreen?
Digital media is actually posting content online.
Very good. Anyone else? Yes, in my you can see my screen, right? Digital media is digitized content that can be transmitted over the internet or computer networks. They can include text, audio, video, and graphics. It can be a mixture of both graphics and video, which is video graphics, or text and graphics, which is infographics. I hope everyone has understood that. This means that news from a TV network, newspaper, magazine, etc. are presented on a website or a blog. Are we together?
Yes, we
All
are.
right. The next bit is the birth of digital media. How digital media came about. Who can tell us how digital media came about? Having understood that digital media is the digitized way of passing information, the use of smartphones, internet, the use of online or media platforms, social media platforms, to disseminate information. How did it get to the point that we disseminate information through social media platforms? Anyone?
Through the access of internet.
Yes. And the rise of computers. Thank you very much, Doreen. Since the era that we've come to get, or we have revolutionized and get to a point where we have computers, and we have even our smartphones, which we carry from one place to another. We don't need to watch TV to get the news, or read a magazine or newspaper to get the news. You only need to touch a button or to press a button and you'll get all your news. The birth of digital media came as a result of the introduction of internet and computers. Now, the next bit of what we're going to look at is the different forms of digital media. We have three different forms of digital media. One is paid media, which is that media which is from promotional channels, or that one, or the media platforms which advertisers pay for their products to be advertised there. That is the paid media platforms. For instance, you get to Netflix is an online or a digital media platform. Before you get to download a movie on Netflix, you watch a promo or an advert. Even when you are in Facebook, there are advertisements and promotional content which pop up whenever you want to watch a video in Facebook or even YouTube. That is paid media. The second one is owned media. Owned media means that a business owns a website or a social media account. In this case, I'll use the example of Citizen TV. Citizen TV has its TV, which I will consider in this case as the traditional way of passing information. But then for digital platform, They have their Facebook account, they have Instagram account, they have a website, and they even have Citizen Digital. That is owned media. It owns a social media platform or account, a website, or a blog. Another type of media is the earned media. The earned media is basically the audience that we get through watching content online. For instance, the Standard Media Group places their daily magazine on the Standard Digital. People may want to read the newspaper digitally, but before you read that newspaper, the newspaper is required by 1,000 or millions of people per day, the standard newspaper, and they want to get it via online. And in that case, while somebody is reading the newspaper, because we have all accessed the same platform at the same time, then we get to watch other content related or posted by the same media house. That is how we get earned media. So I hope you have understood the 3 forms of digital media. Anyone with a question?
Yes.
All right, let's proceed. Just a minute. Another thing that we, on that note, after getting the forms of the 3 forms of social media, of digital media, I want to conclude. Digital media is the new norm. Digital media is that which we are living now. The news that you get, you don't have to go watch your TV set. You don't have to buy a magazine every morning. What you need is just the internet and a smartphone or a computer that can be connected to the internet. Anyone with a question? Anyone with a question?
Kindly elaborate on the earned media, please.
The earned media. The earned media is about it is the audience that has already been acquired through another media. For instance, you have a newspaper. Digital, I use the example of Standard Media. They post their newspaper in their website, Standard News. Somebody will want to go there to read a newspaper. But because that newspaper is in a website, before you get to read that newspaper, you will have watched some other content before you get there. You will have pop-ups. You'll be reading that magazine. Now you are going to view the newspaper in Standard Digital. But while you are in that same website, you will get to see adverts. You will get to even click on other stories, which maybe they are not in the newspaper, but it is a block by a famous blogger that has just popped up because you are in that Standard Digital platform. Doreen, have you understood?
Yes, got it, madam.
Yeah. Thank you very much. See you in our next class. And I would like each and every one of you to look at the impact of digital media in the society today. The impact of digital media in the society today. Have a blessed evening. See you next week.
You too, madam.
Bye-bye.
Bye.